Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Zoom meeting and invite others. I'm going to schedule a meeting. I'm clicking on this schedule. First of all, you have to give the meeting of topic here, and then you have to select starting date and then the time, and then you can see the option here duration. You have to set the duration, hour and minutes, and I'm going to selecting here generate automatically, and here is the meeting password. Your all participants should need to enter this password, and video for host will be on and for participants will be off. I am selecting here Google Calendar and clicking on this save. So now if you go to this meetings tab, and here you have successfully scheduled a meeting. Now let's see how to invite people. So I'm going to click on this copy invitation, and then you have to just send this invitation wherever you want, and from this invitation people can join your meeting. Here you can see I have successfully copied the invitation link, and I can easily share this invitation with anyone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.